Buildings today are responsible for half of the world's energy consumption. The future city can do better. The solutions developed at the Tallinn University of Technology have given Estonia a leading role in the construction of near-zero energy buildings and the renovation of existing residential buildings. In Estonia, all buildings connected to the DigiAudit platform include the real-time monitoring of energy use and the automatic analysis of the data received. This will ensure the heating, cooling and ventilation systems are always working optimally and that any problems are resolved quickly, and this will give energy-efficient houses an ideal indoor climate. The future city starts at Taltech.